Hey there, YouTube friends and subscribers. Today, I'm going to try this new Blizzard right here. It's called Oreo Mocha Fudge. Made out of Oreo cookies and some mocha fudge. I think these are really neat. So let's give this one a try, see how it tastes. Delicious. It tastes like Oreo cookies with chocolate mocha fudge with creamy DQ soft serves. Yeah, very delicious. I I highly recommend it. Try this Blizzard because it's yummy and tasty. So anyways, guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you soon. Bye.